Welcome back, friends. Today we have some fun Easter crafts you can do with your kids, and we're going to start with some popsicle sticks. Regular size ones are fine, but you can use bigger ones. We're going to use a large pom-pom and a small one, some poster board, not much, but just a little pieces, and then some of these carrots that you can find at the Dollar Tree currently. I'm going to use some of these stickers. Now, they are fall themed, but I'm going to use the green ones from this set. We're going to use a pink marker as well as a black marker. I'm also going to be using these little bug stickers that I got at Dollar Tree a while back. They have little ladybugs and bees. I'm going to start by using 7 of these. I'm just going to put 5 right next to each other, leaving about equal parts, and then 2 extra popsicle sticks to hot glue them together, one at the top and one at the bottom. I'm going to place a little bit of hot glue right here on the top on each one, and then the same thing at the bottom. We're creating what will look like a little picket fence. Really cute. Now, you can paint this picket fence. I decided to leave mine in the natural wood tone. I'm going to take these little leafy fern stickers. I'm going to place one here on the bottom on the right side, and I'm going to pick another one, and I'm going to do it on the left side. I'm going to reinforce the stickiness with some hot glue. I am then going to take one of these little mini carrots from Dollar Tree, hot glue one right there to the right side, and take the larger pom-pom and hot glue it in between the leaves, just there. I'm going to take the little pom-pom, place it on the top. We're creating a little bottom of a little bunny. So place it on the top, not directly in the center. I'm going to take some of the poster board. I'm just going to fold it in half, and I'm going to cut what will look like little feet or little paws for our little bunny. And I'm just going to then freehand with the pink marker what will look like the paw prints. And then we're just going to do that on the other one as well. And then we're going to hot glue this to the bottom of the pom-pom. So basically underneath, and they're going to be facing downwards. I decided to add one more little carrot just to add a little touch of color on that side, and then a couple of these little bug stickers, one little bee and one little ladybug. And this one stuck really well, so I just decided to just leave it like this. How stinking cute! Oh my word, this little picket fence is being destroyed, to be honest with you, by this little bunny. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to use more of the popsicle sticks. Again, regular size is fine, but if you have large ones, you can do those as well. I'm going to take white paint for this one, a paintbrush, of course, so that we can paint. I'm also going to use 2 pom-poms. Now, this one's a small one and a little teeny tiny one. And we're going to use more of the googly eyes. I'm going to take a piece of poster board as well, not too much needed, and pink marker and black marker. I wasn't sure which pink tone I was going to use for this one. I'm going to use my hot glue and a pair of scissors. And I'm also going to use my pencil, if you can use a pen too, and my wire cutters. This is just going to cut the popsicle sticks nicely. All right, I'm going to line up 5 of them. This time they're going to be right next to each other. And then on the 6th popsicle stick, I'm just going to mark where I need to cut and make cuts with my wire cutter, making sure those popsicle sticks are nicely aligned, and then joining all of them with hot glue. You can also use any other glue, but hot glue just works really fast. So I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom one. All right, for this one, we are going to paint the front. Now, you can paint the back as well. I didn't do it on mine. I'm just going to do it all white, and then I'm going to put it to the side to dry. And because I'm using chalk paint, it does dry pretty quickly. While it's drying, I'm going to freehand what will look like bunny ears, and I'm just going to fold and cut 2 of them at the same time. That way, they're both going to be the nice same shape. I am now going to just fill in it kind of like the middle section with the pink marker. I decided to get the brighter one. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other one. It just gives it that, that traditional bunny ear look. Not that they look like this in real life. All right, we're going to take googly eyes. I decided to switch my googly eyes later on to larger ones. All right, we're going to just start attaching things. So my piece is now dry. We're going to attach the ears to the top and a little bit of an angle, I suppose. See, I went with the larger ones, and I think they look so much better. But if you have the little ones, you can use that as well. I'm going to use the little pom-pom, the larger one. I wasn't sure which one I was going to use, if I was going to use the little one or the larger one. And then I'm going to use do whiskers with my black marker using the leftover popsicle sticks to kind of keep me guided. I'm going to cut another piece of the poster board. This time I'm going to cut 2 paws or 2 little feet for our little bunny again, but these are going to look a little different. We're just making the little toes. That's it. And then we're going to hot glue these to the bottom of the bunny. I did darken the edge of the feet. That way it'll stand out against the white surface. And how adorable is this? Oh my word. You can add whatever else you want. You can even add a pink nose. It is absolutely adorable, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to use 6 more of the popsicle sticks, and we're going to use yellow paint for this one. Any yellow tone would work fine. I'm going to use a paintbrush, of course, and this time we're going to use orange construction paper. More googly eyes, because we love these. And then we're going to use a yellow pipe cleaner. This is on the fuzzy side, but you can use the traditional ones as well. I'm going to use my hot glue, a pair of scissors, and my wire cutters, and I'm also going to use a pencil. Just like we did in the previous one, we are going to line them up right next to each other, grab the 6th stick and mark where we need to cut with a pencil, and then use the wire cutters to cut them. You can also use like old pair of scissors to cut these. Once they are joined or cut, we are going to just join it with hot glue, just like we did the other project. And then we are going to paint this one yellow, because this is going to be a little cute chick. So I'm just going to do, again, the sides and the front, but I'm not going to do the back, although you can if you'd like. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to set it to the side under a fan, and it'll dry really quick. But while it's drying, we're going to take the construction paper. We're just going to cut a triangle. This is going to be the beak. You can do it as little or as large as you want. I'm going to take another piece. I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to make what will look like little chick feet. I don't know if they look like chicken feet, but I think I did a good job. I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm going to take the Chanel stem, and I'm just going to fold it into 3 equal parts, and then I'm just going to cut them. Once cut, I'm going to take one of those parts and cut them into 3 smaller equal parts, and that's going to be the little hair or the little feathers on top. And then the other 2 larger ones, I'm just going to fold with a curve. That way these could be the little wings. For this project, I decided to take the larger googly eyes as well. I'm going to hot glue them to the top. And then I don't know why the little eyeball was like sticking, and I realized it was the hot glue. I don't know what I can do to fix that. All right, so we're going to take the beak, hot glue it right there in the center of the face, and then add the little legs towards the back. Look how cute. We're going to add the little hairs or the little feathers. So we're just going to start in the center and then add the other 2 on the sides. This is so stinking cute. And then we're going to add what will look like little wings, and we're just going to hot glue them on each side, kind of facing downwards on this one, and then a little hot glue, and then just kind of facing downwards. Yeah, just a little bit. And then the same thing on the other one, and that's it. Another super cute craft you can do very easily and quickly with your kiddos. But how gorgeous is this? Oh my gosh, it's so fun. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.